Yo, peace and love, guys. This is your boy Colo coming to you with another video. Today we have the Nike Dunk SB Stussies. One of my favorite pair of dunks ever. These were originally made back in July of 2005. The color is dark khaki, vanilla, and shy pink. But before I jump into all of that, just want to thank the supporters, old, new, potentials. Love you guys. Can't do this without you. And you know I don't support the whole reselling of the UA sneakers, fake sneakers, anything like that. I just get them as gifts, great gifts. I do the review, and that's pretty much it. On to the next shoe. So we have this beautiful box that looks like it's shy pink. I've never heard of shy pink in my life, but I like it. And on this box, it just says shy pink and vanilla. So they're missing the dark khaki for sure. I'm not sure if that belongs on the box, but looking at some stuff from Sneaker News, it says they were dark khaki. And by the way, I forgot my mic, so I am using Apple earbuds or whatever they're called, the ones with the wire. So let's just go ahead and jump into this. I see you, StockX. You know, looking at this shoe, just from first glance, it doesn't seem all that fancy, but it is that fancy to me. It has that nice little cherry on top. That's a nice touch. And they got the really good poofy tongue right. They got this pair right. I couldn't find too many flaws on them. I've never actually seen an OG pair. Oh yeah, and by the way, the box is pink with the little swirlies. Nothing too fancy there. But I do like the pink box. Real men wear pink. And again, looking at these, there's nothing too fancy, but the leather is similar to the Dior Jordan 1 that I just reviewed. Check that video out. That brown leather, the pink leather, or the shy pink leather, feels a lot like the Dior leather. And what I mean by that, it's very, very, very smooth. It's not tumbled at all. And they're saying that's the Italian leather when they're referencing the Dior's, but it feels exactly the same on this pair of Stussies. So this shoe wasn't designed by the Stussy guy himself. They were actually part of the Team Manager series, and the colorway is put together by Rob Jeffries of Stussy, who took inspiration from Neapolitan ice cream cone. The uppers are a soft chocolate strawberry colored leather with the swoosh is like a creamy vanilla. The sneakers also finished with a waffle cone insole and a cherry on the tongue. The famed Tiffany dunks were also released part of this pack. For a little history for you guys. But looking back at these details, I really couldn't find too many things wrong with the shoe. I'm not sure if, man, that leather feels really good. I'm not sure if there are flaws I'm just not catching. I'm sure someone in the comments will let me know, but I love them. I love dunks. I love brown. I love pink. So there's that ice cream cone inside. This I'm pretty picky about. I've seen some terrible ones. I've seen some terrible insoles on a pair of Chunkies. A little peek in how they look on the inside there. Here's my model shoe. I've had that SB forever. And the insole to that, I always use it to compare with because it is an OG or authentic, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, they did a good job. I mean, the one on the right's older, of course. But look at the placement of the zoom pocket. It looks good. It's good. I'm calling it good. In the upper black part too. Some companies skimp out on that, but this looks pretty good. Yeah? You guys be the judge. So let's just look at the other shoe. This one looks good as well. I really love the leather on this. I prefer this leather over tumbled leather. That cherry on top just does it for me for some reason. I don't know why. I just like it. You get the pink laces, and I'll probably throw the pink ones in on one shoe just to kind of give you guys both perspectives of them. But let's take a look at the Blacklight. What did we find here? And you can already see there's some kind of little stamp on the, I think that's the right shoe. Some little stamp. And that's probably not a bad thing, or it's not a QC flaw, but just look at these things. There's no lineup marks where they should have lined it up. Everything looks solid. So shout out to the people that gifted me this shoe. You guys did a very, very good job on this. Hopefully I'll get another gift. Who knows? Maybe the Tiffany's. You guys got the Tiffany's? But, I mean, I couldn't find a flaw here. So without further ado, there's a little something on the heel. But let's just get into the on feet.
Do not use elevators.
Yo, what's going on, guys? This is a little weird. I'm in my office, and it's always a little difficult filming inside the office because I'm still kind of new here in this building, and you know, the guy walking around with a camera, pink shoes on, you know. I usually try to stay as low-key as possible when I'm at the workplace because, you know, people are nosy. I don't shout to the world I'm a content creator. I just kind of do it for you guys, you know what I mean? Like, you know, keep it on the low. Wow, that is blown out. And plus, my lighting is kind of strange in this office, too. It's like you got lights up there and you got the window right here, which just looks like nothing to you guys. Shoes are awesome. I appreciate the gift, as always. Brown and pink it's one of my favorite color combinations next to black and white. Kind of reminds me of that whole Kanye with the bear thing with the brown and the pink and the polos and all of that. I was part of that wave. I figured I might as well just do it while I'm here. I mean, it's gonna save me some time. Like, I am running out of time making these videos. And I'm trying to keep my voice down too. I don't really know these people here like that. It's just kind of weird up here. Like, very Get Out-ish. If you guys ever seen the movie Get Out. Come on.